I have the Pixel 9 Pro XL here, and in today's video I want to show you how to relock the bootloader of this device and all others within the Google Pixel 9 family. The process is rather straightforward, especially if you were the one to unlock it. For those who may not have unlocked their own bootloader, you will need to have some things set up ahead of time. For example, you are required to have a desktop or laptop PC that you can connect your phone to via a USB cable. You're also going to need to have ADB and Fastboot tools installed on your computer. There may even be a need for you to install the USB driver from Google if your PC has trouble making that connection successfully. Now, if you're not familiar with what ADB and Fastboot tools are, or if you need help finding that USB driver download, then be sure to check the video description below, as I'll have links like these included there to help you along the way. I also need to point out that locking the bootloader will wipe all of the data from your device. So be sure that you're backing up your important stuff ahead of time. When you are ready to begin this process, we're going to reboot the Pixel 9 into Fastboot mode. And I do this by first restarting the device and then immediately pressing and holding the volume down button. And I'll continue holding the volume down button until I see this screen here. And be sure to let me know if you have any trouble with this part. I'll be sure to help out in the comment section down below. Now, while the phone is in Fastboot mode like this, let's connect it to the PC with a USB cable. When your Pixel 9 has the Fastboot mode menu up and it's connected to the PC with that USB cable that I mentioned, we should be able to interact with the phone through Fastboot commands. And the first command that I recommend you execute is fastboot space devices. When you press enter, you should get a response with the word fastboot and then the serial number to your phone right here. If you don't see that and your result is blank, or you see something that says waiting for the device, then there's going to be some USB related issues. This could be a USB port, or your USB cable, or even the USB driver. So try a different cable, connect it to a different port, or you may even just need to install those USB drivers from Google that I mentioned before. So you're going to need to troubleshoot that before you can proceed with this tutorial. You will need to get a correct Fastboot response from this command. But when you are ready, we can actually lock the Pixel 9 Pro bootloader again by executing the following command: fastboot space flashing space lock, and then press enter. And you should be told that this command was finished, and you get an OK message right here. And you're also going to get a warning screen like this. So you're going to want to use the volume up or volume down button to change which option is highlighted here. So for anyone who made it to this screen by accident, you'll have the do not lock the bootloader option highlighted, and then you press the power button to select that option. But if you do in fact want to relock the Pixel 9 bootloader, we make sure the lock the bootloader option is highlighted, and then we press the power button to select this. Doing so, you will see your Pixel 9 smartphone reboot. You'll notice it go to a factory data reset screen for a short time, and then it will reboot you back to the Android activation screen. After you have activated Android just like you normally would, boot back up into the operating system and set your stuff up again. your bootloader will be locked, and you can confirm this by activating developer mode and checking that OEM unlock toggle within the developer options menu. That option should no longer be grayed out, and you can now disable it to prevent a bootloader unlock from happening in the future. So I hope this video was helpful to those who are curious about how to relock the bootloader of the Google Pixel 9 series. But as always, feel free to use the comments section down below if you ran into any issues along the way. Just please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel too for more Google Pixel 9 tips like this.